video might contain sensitive content.
To my health family, a lot of my Instagram followers have been asking me when I'm going to make this video. So here it is.
How to insert a vagina, suppository or pessary.
Of course, don't forget to drop a like for this video, share and subscribe. You can either use your index finger or the applicator that comes along with it, depending on whatever is convenient for you. But first, you need to wash your hands thoroughly before starting at all. Afterwards, you need to clean the outer part of the vagina with a mild soap, clean water, and dry with a clean cloth. Please do not wash the inner part of the vagina. When you purchase a suppository, you will also get an applicator. To remove the suppository from the wrapper, separate the two flaps and pull. Then, you put the suppository into the applicator. Now, the suppository is ready for you. To insert the suppository, raise one foot up on a stool or lay on your back with your knees bent. Either of these two positions will make it easy for the suppository to go into the vagina. Open the lips of your vulva and gently push the suppository into the vagina. Using your forefinger, push the end of the applicator to allow the suppository in. Dispose the applicator or wash thoroughly if reusable, and wash your hands thoroughly too. It is important to remain in this position for at least 15 minutes and avoid using the toilet within 1 hour after insertion to allow the suppository melt in. If you found this video useful, please share, like, and subscribe.